morning, everyone. Thanks for watching the replay. If you are watching the replay, go ahead and comment replay. If you're watching me live, go ahead and comment live. Today we're going to do monogram wine glasses. Pretty excited about this, but really quickly I am going to share this to my pages, so just give me 1 second. In the meantime, I will come on here so you can see. Let's see. There we go. So how's everyone's Friday? I would love to hear where you guys are watching from and what the weather's like by you, because it is snowing here, and it is very cold. And a lot of the schools are closed already. Okay, just need to share this with one more spot. Okay, so I want to show you guys how you can also do wine glasses, or glass in general. So I have these stemless wine glasses that I'm going to monogram today. I also wanted to show you guys that we do have different fonts, which is pretty cool because you can personalize things. I'm going to do something very simple today, but you can personalize things by I mean, you can basically write anything because you have different text. Here, baby. Sorry, checking my baby. But yeah, so like you can put someone's last name on something. You could do like the last name and like establish whatever the year. You do something like that. You could do, I mean, you could do anything. So I can show you some of the different fonts that I have right now. Ooh, I have them in these containers here. So here's one I have, which looks like this. So this is a font that I have. This one is called Classic Serif font. So there's that one. I also have this one, these little letters. I like these. So yeah, so it's cool because you can make, you know, things say whatever you want. So it doesn't have to just be a pre-made design. You can customize things as well. I also have this font. I have a lot of fonts. These are some numbers. But yeah, so you could also do like your address on something, like on a mailbox, or even your house. Yeah, you could do a lot of different things. That's why I love this. It's so versatile. This one is a script font. I've used this one before. So, and this one has the uppercase and lowercase. Let's see if I can find some lowercase letters. Here we go. There's a K, C. But yeah, so those are some different fonts. The one I'm going to use today is another one. It's called Harmon, and it is like a bigger, chunkier font. So this is what we got, and I'm going to do monogram letters on these wine glasses for Mario and I, so we can have matching wine glasses. And again, I'm going to use ink. I'm going to use ink because it's permanent and I can bake it in the oven, and then these glasses will be washable. Okay, so let's just get down to it. I will use, I'm going to use this tool. It's easier for me. Okay, so I'm going to start with his and go ahead and stick this on the wine glass. Now I can also fuzz this a little bit because I'm sticking it on glass. So, also, if you have not heard, today we just released subscription boxes, which I'm really excited about. I don't know about you, but I have like a weird obsession with subscription boxes. I think they're so much fun because, I don't know, it's like fun to get a package every month. And you don't know what's in it, you know, it's like a surprise. So this is kind of like a craft subscription box. Every month you're gonna get, and it's $19.99, so it's pretty reasonable. Every month you're gonna get a design, a transfer. You're gonna get 3 chalk pastes and free shipping. Free shipping is awesome. And so it's cool because a different one's going to come every month, and it's exclusive just to that package, that program. You won't be able to buy that design on the website or anything like that. It's only for the people who subscribe to that subscription box, so it's pretty cool. And I am also going to do a little incentive today for anyone that signs up for the subscription box. So if you're interested, message me, and I will make sure you get all set up, and then I will also make sure you get something from me that will help you. Sorry, I kind of get in the zone sometimes. It's hard to talk and paint at the same time. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about the subscription boxes. They launched today, actually it's like about 11 o'clock Eastern time, so they haven't even launched yet. So about an hour until you can actually place an order for it. It does have a 3-month minimum, which is not really that big of a deal. At least I don't think. Hey Erica! Oh good! Oh my god, I'm so happy. Were you able to make the project yet? I would love to see how it went for you, or hear how it went for you. Okay, we're gonna peel this and reveal it. All right, there we go. There is our wine glass for Mario. I dig it. It looks really good. Now I'm gonna make one for me. Maybe since it's a snow day, and he had a gig today and it got canceled, so maybe we can stay in and have some wine in our new wine glasses. All right. You haven't made it yet, but you're going to this weekend. Yeah, okay, so I can't wait. Definitely take a picture of it. Hang on, gotta help baby. She's crying. Hi, baby. You okay? I've got her in a little swing, so she gets upset when it slows down. But that's awesome. I would love if you took a picture of it and posted it on my page and showed it to me, because I would love to see your project and how it turns out, and I would love to hear what you think of the products. Yeah, because I really think you're gonna love it, so I'm excited. Excited that you got that. How's the weather by you? I don't know if I asked you, Erica, if you have kids. If you do, let me know. I'm wondering if their school got canceled. All right, this is one of my favorite colors. Like, I have a lot of stuff in this color. Whoops. Sometimes it's hard to multitask chalk and baby at the same time. But that's okay, we got it. All right. Once again, I love this tool. It has come in so handy for stuff like this, stuff that's like small. Works out perfectly. All right, so just scrape off the excess like you would on any other project. Awesome, Erica. 55 degrees today and sunny. That's not bad. I think it's like 20 here. I know it was like 25 yesterday. It was really cold. But I guess I can't complain because I'm from Chicago, and Chicago is really bad right now. Okay. Okay, pumpkin. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, time to peel and reveal this one. All right, so there is my wine glass. I am super excited. Those turned out awesome. So now we have a Mario and Amanda wine glasses. Super cute. What do you guys think? One big kid, 7 years and 5-year-old fur kitty. Aww. Yeah, I used to be just solely a dog mom until this little princess came along. She's 2 months old now. I feel like she's growing up so fast. But yeah, so Erica, I don't know if you heard me talking, but I was talking about subscription boxes. Oops. We now have subscription boxes, and why is this? Okay. So we now have subscription boxes. They're available at 11 o'clock Eastern time today. Yeah, the wine glasses, didn't they turn out awesome? Like, I am super, super happy with these. Look at that. Oops. Yay. Like I said, it's a snow day, so maybe we can drink out of these today. But starting at 11 o'clock today, Eastern time, we have, we're launching subscription boxes. So it's a monthly subscription box for $19.99, and you get a different design every month, and you get the paint colors, 3 paint colors to go with it. It's free shipping, and you get to basically design a new project every month, which is super cool. There is a 3-month commitment, which is not bad. So you have to sign up for at least 3 months. But you pay monthly. You don't pay all at once. So that's good. But yeah, it's going to be awesome. And the designs that you get are exclusive to the subscription box. So like, if you don't have the subscription box, you won't be able to buy those designs. It's only for those people. So that's pretty exciting. So if you are interested in subscription boxes, you can sign up today at 11 Eastern. So let me know so that I can get you on, get you started with that. It's pretty exciting. And the first 3 people that sign up for subscription box today are gonna get something awesome from me. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but it's gonna be something super cool to go with your projects. Okay, so like I said, yes, you can reuse them. So what's gonna happen here? Hang on. So what you're gonna do when you have that, you're gonna peel it off the white back, and then you're gonna do your project, and then afterwards, I like to take this and run it under hot water and get all the ink off, and lay it to dry. You also can use the, like any kind of wet wipe, a Lysol, Clorox wipe, whatever, and clean the ink off. Hey baby, she's getting fussy, I probably gotta go. But you can, yes, they're gonna be exclusive designs for the subscription boxes. It's gonna be super cool. And I have a sneak peek of what the February one looks like if you wanna see it. It's super cute. But yeah, so then you wipe them off, you clean them, and you leave them to dry. And when you wipe the back, the sticky part of this, with the Clorox wipe or wet wipe, it reactivates the glue, so that it's still sticky once it dries. So then you stick it right back on to the backing that you have, and it's ready to go for you to use it again. You can use them up to 8 to 12, between 8 and 12 times, until they start to wear out a little bit. But it's pretty good because you can make multiple projects with just one stencil or silk screen, if you will. But yeah, let me know if you're interested in the subscription boxes today at 11 o'clock. First 3 people that sign up are gonna get an exclusive gift from me. Yeah, okay, I will send you a sneak peek of what the February one looks like. All right, well, I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching me make the Monogrammed wine glasses. It was super fun.